Hi, this is Burr with a quick and interesting idea for ballast treatment on your model railroad. Do you see that gray stripe next to the track? Now, we were watching this train a few weeks ago, and I noticed this weird looking ballast, the gray ballast there. And after the train went by, I kept looking at it and saying, this doesn't look realistic at all. Like, what sort of a clown put down ballast like that? Well, it was probably the ballast crew just before the grader came by. And I came back and took some more video of it just so you could see how crazy it looks. If you had this on your model railroad, people would think you were bonkers. But there it is on the real railroad. I was just there about 2 weeks ago. This is the Burlington Northern Santa Fe and Carkeek Park in Seattle. And look how high the mountains are. Then I went back a week later. This would be July 8th here. And the ballast spreader had come by. I don't know if they did some tamping, but it looks great now. This is what you'd expect on a model railroad, right? But wouldn't that be fun to just put some mounds of ballast and have them just below the top of the railhead so it didn't trip up any coupler pins? So anyway, I hope you got a kick out of this idea. I don't know if I'll do it myself or not, but I wanted to share it with you. This is Burr Stewart, wishing you much fun with trains.